I want to welcome Oliver Sloup to the show right now. And Oliver, thank you for joining us. He is with Blue Line Futures. He's based out of Chicago. And Oliver, let's take a look at the grain markets here from your perspective. As you look at the rally that we have seen in the corn, we're talking about the dry conditions out there, especially in Iowa and Illinois. And they really supported the market as we came out of the overnight trade. But boy, they are backing up now off of their highs. Look at December corn. We had a high of 364.25. And now all the way back down to 360, which means we are only 3/4 of a cent higher right now. Does that mean the rally is over?
Well, I think it's just taking a pause. We obviously got the gap higher and go in the overnight session. And the overnight session, you typically get less volume. So the fact that we're reversing on more participation when the quote-unquote floor opened up, it's a little bit of a caution flag if you're long this market. And I think it's starting to spur some long liquidation, or basically some selling from those who had been able to ride this rally up here over the past couple of weeks. Right up against significant resistance for this corn market, 360 to 363 is the top end of the range from July. So a lot of interaction between buyers and sellers here previously. And on top of that, you've got the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, in the most overbought territory that this contract has been in. So I think taking a little bit of a breather is healthy for the market, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the same thing take place here in the soybean market. And obviously this hot and dry weather is going to impact soybeans a little bit more, and that's why we've seen a much bigger rally there. I think soybeans are really leading the pack here. If soybeans reverse, fill the gap from last night's open, and start to retreat a little bit more, I think that could bleed into a little bit more pressure in the grain complex over the next couple of sessions. We've got crop progress out here this afternoon. The average analyst estimate kind of looking for a 2 to 3% drop, and good to excellent ratings for corn. And as far as beans go, I think people are looking for a 3 to 4% drop in those ratings. So I think the market has tried to price that in the overnight session. So it could be one of those things, buy the rumor, sell the fact.